Warmly congratulate the American customer for purchasing 200 EA500H7 rental LED screens in bulk. This flagship product adopts a revolutionary magnetic quick lock system with an aviation-grade aluminum alloy frame and can complete the disassembly and assembly of a single screen in just 5 seconds. Its unique two-way arc adjustment mechanism supports plus or minus 15 degrees free bending, which can quickly build creative shapes such as immersive domes and wave curtain walls, bringing unlimited possibilities for various stage performances and commercial activities. EA500H7 specially adopts an intelligent temperature control system and modular front maintenance design, equipped with a high-precision automatic calibration function to ensure that the overall flatness error of 200 screens does not exceed 0.5 mm after splicing.